Hi, it's Chris with WTI, and I want to tell you about this deluxe toiletry bag by PACKISM. I love this PACKISM TSA Approved toiletry bag. If you will be traveling at all, you need this. It's just going to help speed right through security screening, which I just really loved when I was traveling. It's the perfect travel size. It's got the TSA 311, so it's the approved size, and it holds containers of 100 milliliters or less in a 1-quart bag, which you're allowed 1 per traveler. So it fits all the qualifications that you need, which I liked about it. But it's also just great. It's easy to clean with soap and water. You can use it anywhere, at the beach, if you're traveling, even in the bathroom, just to keep everything tidy and in one place. So I'm so happy that I had this with me. I found it super functional as a toiletry bag, and I used it on my recent trip. So it just made travel and going through security a breeze. And honestly, I'm certain that you'll love it too. And that's my point of view.